Assalamu alaikum everyone. So I am just manually removing all the weeds from my garden bed. As you can see, I have a long way to go. Doesn't really directly kill the weeds, but rather it would improve the nutrient availability, help with water retention, and may indirectly support healthier plant growth. Now there are options of making a solution and then spraying it. That would be better when you have the actual fruit like berries, and when other insects, they try to suck them and destroy the berry. So you can make a solution and spray on them, and when the diatomaceous earth is dried, it can eventually kill off those bugs and insects trying to spoil your fruit. But my intention today is just to mix it up in the soil so that I can get more nutrient availability with more water retention and healthier plant growth. So that's what I'm going to achieve by adding this into the soil. And I am planting strawberries here. Okay, now I should be covering my nose because it's not good to inhale these, as they are responsible for causing lung carcinoma. So yeah, you should be masking your face when you're using this. You can see there are big ones here, so I have to go deeper. So these are the roots coming out, and this is the real hard work. So I like to use my hands. Oh, this is a big plant here. See? Oh my gosh. Alright, so the reason to remove this whole system of roots of weeds is just not to let them have all the nutrients from the soil. And this is why it's so important to remove the weeds or unwanted vegetation or fruits which you do not plan to eat, to be removed completely from the soil, so that the fruits or veggies you are trying to grow have maximum nutrients. So here's where I plan to put my strawberry shrub, and let's see if it is clean. There are more roots in here. Ooh. Hello, earthling. Alright, so here is my strawberry tiny shrub which I'm hoping to grow in here. I can open a little bit of its roots from under. Yeah, put it here, and there you go. Ta-da! The soil is clean, and there is this white silica powder, and there you go. It's in here. Today is rainy, so it's gonna get some water too, natural water. And let me show you. Here we are, a tiny strawberry, and the flowers. Yeah, bless you.